How to get started writing on Medium in 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about a platform called Medium, and this is a platform that allows you to write all of your stories and ideas in one place and publish them to the world however you please. Okay, and we're going to be talking about this in great depth and detail, so please do make sure to fully watch this till the end so you can get a good idea on how this platform works and how you are going to use it to write the best material that you can generate. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to medium.com, and once you come over to medium.com, over here to start things off, you're going to click on start reading. Now it either says sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. I'm going to go with email, and once we go with email here, I'm going to enter my email straight away. Once you do that, click on continue. And now it says that we've sent a verification email or a verification link to your account. So I have just received the verification email. You know, it's pretty fast. So once we do that, we're simply going to click on create your account. And once I have verified things in, this is what it shows me. So I have just verified things in. And as you can see, it takes us through the callback where it loads us in. Now it says we're almost there. Please finish creating your account. So you're going to add your full name. Here's your email. And you're going to click on create account. And once you do that, here it asks us our onboarding questions. So what are you interested in? Choose 3 or more. So let's say I'm going to go with programming. Okay. Then let's go ahead with artificial intelligence, entrepreneurship. Let's go with marketing. Let's also go with social media. And I'm just going to add one more. Let's go with something like cryptocurrency. Okay, let's go with that, and we're going to click on continue. So once you do that, here it gives us 3 options. So you can either go with these, which is a basic member account or a friend account. Now the member account is $4, the friend account is $12, and you get quite a lot of good features. Okay, but you can also go with a free account by simply clicking on here. Okay, so once you're over here, this is basically your Medium section. Okay, so first of all, you can start off by writing your own material, but before that, you can also go ahead and explore other people. So Medium is basically a social media platform, but it's a social media platform for writers where other writers can show you their experiences and ideas. So first of all, you have the For You page, and in the For You page, you can see different things because I followed entrepreneurship, and here we can see things for entrepreneurship like is your team relational or transactional, ChatGPT is a game changer, etc. So let's say I'm going to go over to this, and I'm going to read this person's writing. Now, as you can see, we can see different things for the ChatGPT 4. You can get latest details right now, and you can see the date it was published. It's a 5-minute read, and you can go ahead and read it as much as you like. You can also go ahead and listen to it, okay? But obviously to listen to it, you will need the upper plans, okay? You can get it on the free plans, but generally, this is how it works. So you get all these details and all these reads for yourself, and you can get different recommendations as well. So these are different ways how you can access Medium, all right? And as we scroll down and down, you can get more stories from people to read, more ideas from people to read. You can also follow people up. It's like, you know, a basic LinkedIn profile where you can follow people, check their stuff out, check their ideas out, etc. You can see the people you're following from this section. And also go ahead with the different categories you chose, like cryptocurrency, social media, marketing, etc. Now, if you want to go ahead and publish your own media, okay, if you want to go ahead and publish your own writing, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the top right section where it says write, and you're going to click on it. Now, once you click on it, let's go ahead and give our writing a title. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and give it a title like Times Have Changed. Okay, so you're going to make sure that it's a catchy title, and you can also edit the title as you please. So you can make it bold, you can make the text bigger as you please. You can give it quotations as well if you want to, but I'm going to keep it like this. Now it says tell your story. Now to tell your story, you can either add images, you can add a video, add an embedded code, you can add different code blocks or add a new part, or just go straight away and start adding your text columns, okay? So for the text columns, you can write in anything. Okay, so I'm going to write in recent times, we have seen the drastic changes in social media. Okay, So just like this, you can go ahead and add in your text. Now I'm simply going to be using you could say, software to write my things down, which is an AI software. So I'm going to go ahead and let it know what I want it to write. And this is how most people write as well, but you can go ahead and portray your own idea as well if you're, interested in writing a long column section. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a topic like write me a, let's say, brief on how social media has impacted our society. Okay, so we're gonna choose the format for it. I'm gonna go with a proper, let's say, let's go with let's go with a blog post format. And once you do that, we're gonna keep it, let's go with professional. Then the length, I'm going to go with long. And once you do that, we're going to click on generate draft. So it keeps going on and on with the main pivot details. And as we can see, it's, a generally long paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this. Now, once you copy this, you're going to come here and you're going to paste it. Now, once you paste it, as you can see, there's no limit when it comes to writing in Medium. Okay, you can write as much and as long as you like. So once we have this, I'm going to give it a heading, I'm going to give it some space, and here's our recurring text that goes on. So once you've added this, you can also add an image for yourself if you want to. So let's say I'm going to come here, click on plus, click on upload image. And once we click on upload image, you can go ahead and add any image that is relevant to this. Now, the image I'm adding isn't really relevant to what we're portraying, but I'm still going to add it just to give you an idea. So just like this, once you have done that, you're going to click on publish. And once you click on publish, you can give them a story preview where you can include a high quality image in your story to make it more inviting to readers. So I have added a high quality image. Then you're also going to add a topic. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and write social media. There we go. Then we have, let's go with conspiracy. Okay. Then once we do that, you can go ahead and publish it right now. You can schedule it for later, but if you want to publish it straight away, you can do that as well. And as you can see, it says your story has been published. So look at this. Now we have our proper story up and running, and people can actually see what we've written, in a very straight away format. So if we come over back to the Medium section and we go over to our account, we can actually go ahead to our stories, and you can see what you have published, how many drafts you have, etc. So as we can see, I have this draft over here, times have changed. You can also get responses on your stories, and you can find them here. And just as so, you can respond to other people's stories as well. So we have this story here, right? Now, if you want to go ahead and respond to this story, what you can do is once you have read it all, and once you have come to this section, you can easily go ahead and add a comment through this section. So this is the responses. So as you can see, just like this, you can share your thoughts accordingly. And you can also reference a text in the, let's say I want to reference this text here, right? Now, to reference this text for myself, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on this section, and it's highlighted now. So once it's highlighted, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and reply to the highlighted text you have. So that's also an incredible feature. But generally, this is how Medium works. It's a great writing platform where you can share with other people, and you can also read other people's ideas and thoughts. And that is how you're going to be working with Medium. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.